press the red button. Hello, YouTubies, and we're going to be opening up the Minion tires. So let's get started. Artists, don't get all control. Sure. No, I know. That's the thing. Oh, that's the thing. Okay, I'll get it. You're holding it.
No, I'm not.
Let's see them first. Come on, this is called a review, not a... Look, you gotta look at them, let them see. See, this is how you review. Then you show each one. Okay.
Okay,
real quick. Hang on. Let's show them again. Each phase of time. Okay. Throughout time. All the way down to modern times.
Okay.
Okay, now take them out.
Let me take one out.
No, one at a time, Iris.
But let me take this one.
One at a time.
You're gonna be on YouTube? You gonna fight on YouTube? Go ahead. Let's see.
Here is a minion, and I don't know this minion's name. I'm gonna check on the box that it says. No.
Wait, at the bottom. I
I'm
think
doing the. Wait. No, it doesn't say their name.
Wait, what does this say? At the bottom.
Want me to read the names off?
Yeah.
Crow Minion. Egyptian Minion. Eve Maddie.
Are you using that for a stethoscope?
Gone Batty Minion. Violet Minion. Bored Billy Minion. Minion Bob. British Invasion. Okay. So that's all of them.
What about this one?
His name's Crow Minion.
Crow Minion.
Here's a crow minion. Here, this one's crow minion.
No, my turn to open
Let her open one.
Oh, you just popped right out. There you go. Here's the magician minion, whatever.
And then now I'm going to do the vampire. Get out, vampire.
Go in the order. You want to do the vampire cake? Go out of order if you want.
I'm going like this.
It's supposed to go like this. That's the order, but
Under mine.
it's okay.
Okay, so I got the vampire, and I don't know the vampire's name. I'm going to see.
What's the vampire's name, Dad? Wait. Here.
Gone Batty Minion.
Gone Batty Minion.
Gone, Daddy. Should I be gone?
From light.
And then do mine. Ooh. I got the pirate. What's his name? I don't know his name.
Is his name Poopy Poo Poo? What about Poopy?
I matey.
Oh, what about Poopy Poo Poo?
Minion. I matey. I said Eve. I meant Ive earlier. That said Eve. Anyway. I don't watch Minions, so.
Here's a Bobby Minion. Bobby
What?
Minion.
He's like British or something. Or French or something. He's like a French guy. Let's see. Hand me the thing and we'll say their names. Come on. We're saying the names off. Hand it to me so I can say it. Okay. Viva le Minion.
Really, of a minion.
Okay. Viva la Minion.
Put it over here.
Next.
I think that one's Bob. Or Steve. Wait, no, that can't be Steve. Steve's longer.
This is Bored Billy.
Bored Billy.
I'm
bored.
So,
Okay.
my turn.
The next one is Minion Bob.
No, you don't know.
Yeah.
I did Minion Bob.
Minion Bob.
Here's Minion Bob, you guys.
Steve.
Minion Bob!
I can't, hang on. Hold your hand still for a second. People can't see it when it's moving around so much, hon. Stop moving for a second. Stop moving, little thing. You sound like one. You sure sound like one. When you laugh. Okay, let's see.
Get out.
Your real laugh sounds like a minion.
Okay, I got this
Come on
one.
now.
What's his name? It's right here.
His name is British Invasion.
What is his
Let's see.
name?
Hold it up. Let me see. Be still with it for a second. Okay, let's see his hat. Hold him up hold him up without like this. Where you can see his whole body and everything. Okay. British Invasion.
Coloring is a marker.
Now we're going to show them all together.
Whoa.
Okay, so here's the vampire. Here's the caveman.
That's cool.
Here is the still one. Here's the Egyptian. Here's the pirate.
Here's that one guy.
Here's that one guy, I guess.
That one guy, he's the French guy.
Here's a normal minion. And here's a British, Scottish, whatever minion.
You guys don't know. You're a mixed tribe.
Look.
You're British and Scottish and... Well, not British, you're English
Look
and
at
Scottish and Irish and French and Swiss and...
We have Shopkins.
What else are you guys? Anyway. Alright, woo! Let's stop the video there, huh? Whoa, you're getting wild with them. Hey, don't lose them. Remember, you got a case that could go back in. Remember? And keep the little backgrounds. They're cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna look at the background. What's the bit?
Alright, you guys want to... Yeah. So, hey.
Like and subscribe and bye YouTubies. Thumbs up. Bye YouTubies. Talk to you.